groom it. So guys, our fish is ready. Groom it. Is this meaning that this is the bottom part where we are supposed to? Okay, you turn it upside down. Okay, this one is like the front handle from that other side. Bro, it's upside down, imagine. Okay, I'm not sure now. I'm not more sure. I'm not sure again. No, let me just be videoing. You figure it out. Wow. That's to remove your ankles, please. This is glass, so maybe. Yes. No, there's no glass. No glass. What's this? Is it for check?
Check?
That's the fixed thing. For holding chicken, no, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah. Woo!
Is there a manual? There's a manual, right? This pan, so people you still have a baking pan now that you put on top of this one. I don't think they used to bake on this one like this. I mean, I will not grow up with oven in the house. Where's the man? Wait, close this. This is the manual. Move your hand. My first bread, guys. First bread that I'm making in my life. So soft. I've not even tasted the bread, so I'm just admiring it.
Yummy.
Show the lips of bread. This is how thick it is. Don't press it, we use knife. just the texture, the impressive. So hot, Hubby. Wow, so hot. It's so hot. It's so hot. From this. Open.
Yum.
Wow. Our cookies ready. Ready. My birthday cake. It didn't hold together. I don't know why. Carrots and apple cake. See where I was trying to turn it from here. So today we're grilling some fish. I just put the oven on now, so it's not hot yet. I had marinated it for an hour. Now I just put on the oven. So we're gonna see if it's gonna be lovely. Today is the 21st day of December 2022. So Merry Christmas, guys. The days we've grilled chicken, everything usually happens so fast. After grilling the chicken, we like just digging and start eating. So I always forget to video whenever I'm grilling chicken. But I said to capture this one. I'd marinated them for 2 hours, and now they're cooking in the oven. So guys, this is called the toaster oven. So we've been using it for close to, I would say, 8 months, and it has been serving us well. We use it to bake, grill, cook chicken and all that, and it's been awesome. So it's very fast, it heats up very fast, it's very portable, easy to use. The only downside is that you can't bake so many things at once, right? It has to be like a set of one dish at a time. So that's just the downside. But aside from that, I like it. It heats up very fast and it doesn't get the whole house like so hot per se. So it's been good, I'd say. So we'll wait and see the outcome of the grilled fish. We hope it tastes nice. Bye-bye. See you. So let's turn it to the other side. So this is me trying to turn the fish to the other side so that it will cook very well. I hope I'm not going to make a mess here. So I flapped the fish to the other side and I was not too careful here, so I pulled out some of the skin. So for the remaining 15 minutes, we're going to bake it on this side of the fish for it to grill properly. So after that, we'll see what happens. So our fish is ready, and I'm just going to cover it with some, guys, I'm yet to get my oven gloves. So our fish is ready, and I'm just going to cover it with a sheet of aluminum foil, just for it to what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to prevent the juice, right, from evaporating, all the yummy fish juice from escaping. So I'm just gonna allow it to sit for a while in the oven, right? So let's say for about 10 minutes or so, it's gonna be here. I'm gonna just allow it to steam in its own heat and juice. So guys, our fish is ready. It's been ready for a while now, so we're about to taste it with some coleslaw. So it looks so juicy. So tasty.